Having established over 6 decades and bottled an amazing ethos in the business, a real value across the whole team, the width that we now have as a company in all areas of fit out and finishing, I'm really proud of that. Lucas is a symbol of quality, passion and innovation. We continually challenge ourselves. We're creating products and solutions for clients that they hadn't even dreamed imaginable. When you look at the heart of what we deliver, which is fit out and finishing, and painting is where we came from, everything that surrounds that isn't just for the sake of it, it's to support and improve it, to give that complete Lucas package. The surface finishes that we've created, the tools that we've created, the Lucas Pro Finish, the brush that we manufactured from scratch. These are in-house products, these are Lucas manufactured products. Washrooms, bathrooms, pods, innovative ideas in terms of technology. This is what Lucas are about, the future. We're not just a contractor, we're a technical specialist, and that means that we look at the whole picture right from the beginning. We look at the process, the material selection, the application of the products, what's going to give the client the ultimate finish and longevity. So that's a completely different approach to just applying what the client wants. We add a lot more value to the project, and that is something that is quite unique in our industry. What we want to be is an architect's friend, an architect's ally. The work we deliver is the case study. It's those amazing hero projects that Lucas have been famous for delivering for many years. Absolutely expresses the clear message that we are about doing things to the very best standards. The diversity of work we do could be from painting structural steelwork at T5 Heathrow through to the highest finishes in the best residential properties in London.
With Lucas, the total service offered in terms of fit-outs and the like is ideal. Anywhere where we do a significant build, Dan is in one of that group of a very small core of companies that we trust. So whether it's the Shard of Glass, the British Museum, whether it's Terminal 5, we tend to call and make sure that Lucas is there because they deliver time and time again to a standard that cannot be beaten in the industry.
We want to create a wow factor with everything that we do. I believe it differentiates Lucas because it shows clients that we don't just make it look good. It's about what is behind the scenes. It's about every nut, screw, bolt, every member being straight. And what you'll see is the same exacting standards behind the scenes as you see on the surface.
So Robert McAlpine were responsible for the design and construction of the Olympic Stadium. Lucas played an important role in that. We knew that we couldn't get it wrong, so we had to have the best on the stadium working with us.
The consistency we achieve at Lucas is purely down to the mindset we have in the team. This is where we have the real edge. The dedication is second to none. There's a real DNA in the company, an absolute built-in desire to maintain that level of quality, and that whole culture is through the business in all areas.
Lucas were brought in to do a particularly challenging task, which was a refurbishment of some of our more complex manufacturing equipment. And I was just blown away by the precision and skill that these people were bringing to what was a very challenging task. The relationship started there, and now they are our chosen applier of surface finishes. They have a lot of other skill sets as well.
What we do on site, we can also do in a manufacturing environment and bring a pre-finished module to your building. We've been involved in delivering pods to some quite significant projects. The pod market's quite a new thing in construction. It's something that's becoming more and more in demand, and we want people to see that we're already ahead of the game in that regard. What we've got here in the Innovation Centre is the future of our industry. Whilst everything's online today, what we wanted to do was bring that tactile feel to what Lucas offer. People can come here and actually touch and see an endless amount of options. Finishes that they didn't realise they could have, fit-out methodology that they didn't know existed. We want people to come in here and have their breath taken away. It's like a sweet shop really for the industry to come to and see. And this is taking us into a whole new world, the future of where we're going in Lucas. It's very exciting. We're continuing to innovate and raise the bar in terms of standards of finish, technology, materials and tools.